What the hell are you doing here?
Oh my god.
No.
Welcome back to John's channel. Is he ever coming back?
It's only been 2 weeks.
So, we're gonna bribe him with cool things. We built a deck for him last year.
There's literally no furniture. It's just
Nobody's used it.
clear abyss.
So, we're gonna surprise John with a little outdoor furniture project. We've been talking about it. We wanna do some concrete table kind of stuff. So we've got some mahogany over there, concrete. We're gonna add some fire, and we're gonna make something awesome. So Jordan's drawn up a little sketch. Benton will have it kind of floating here. We need concrete, we need fire. It's the mixer at John's house. We're off to a great start. To the store. We bought concrete and tote thing. Mixer is at John's house, and if we go, hey John, I need the concrete mixer, he's probably gonna know what we're up to. We spent 28 and then I bought snacks on the way home.
We're gonna put the form together. We're gonna tack it first. Yeah, you know, like what we do in our cabinet for cabinets. If you haven't seen any of our cabinet videos.
Don't you overhandle.
Sam, I used to sell these.
Bro, that's not even close to on the ground.
You just want to watch the world burn.
We've got the outside perimeter of the concrete thingy together. We're gonna caulk it still, but there's gonna be a center hole for the insert for this fire pit thing. So we got the dimensions of that, we think. I made it 1.5 inches smaller in both directions from what the hole needs to be for the fire pit. And then we've got more of this 3-inch material. We'll miter a box around it, and then we'll be able to just like locate this center square, get it good. Throw a couple screws through here, and that should hold it nice and square. On these corners, we can just do a butt joint. There's gonna be silicone in that. And that way we have this smooth outside surface for the concrete.
What we're gonna do today is make our base first, get these glued up, and then concrete, and then come back. Glue should be dried around lunchtime. This should go pretty quick, actually. And we just kind of wait for the fire pit thing to arrive.
What day is that coming?
Friday.
What day is this gotta be done?
Friday. Just in time, you know. It's lean.
We let the silicone dry overnight. We ran out of black silicone, so I just used clear. I figured it was the same, but it seems to stick to this melamine way more. Don't mind me. I'll be here scraping silicone off everything. The mold's ready. I've never done any like tabletops like this, but I've done plenty of like sidewalk type of concrete. So we're just gonna do the same thing and hope for the best. A bag of concrete's like $4. If we really ruin it, I'm not too worried about it. We're just gonna give it a shot. In hindsight, we should have put a tarp down. We made a mess. I'm a little worried about how watery it is. It didn't seem that watery, but do we try to like blot some of the water off the top? We got a box of old t-shirts that we use for rags. I don't know, this could be a terrible idea, but we need some like dry fit. I'm gonna grab like 10. Come on, look at that. Look at it. It's like,
just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
Could have gone worse. It looks way better now. We're just gonna keep an eye on it. We'll vibrate it a little more throughout the day. Hope for the best. Try it, figure it out. If it sucks, it sucks.
Well, the concrete is pretty hard, but we want to give it a little special touch. So I'll put my John Hancock in this.
You're doing great.
Looks terrible, huh? Sam's turn.
I went to art school.
Jordan, what are you drawing? Jordan, this thing might look like something tomorrow.
We kind of just like, all right, let's go pour some concrete. I am lining up the drill press because we need to pre-drill all of our holes for the screws.
All right, let's drill some holes.
Real good.
I think we want to put together one of the sides and start getting a feel for how that's going to look. This project was inspired by DIY Huntress's project. It's similar but different.
Same, but different.
But she's awesome. If you don't follow her, you should. These are like pretty rigid. And I think like if we just put a piece across here as just like another level of support
For the concrete?
Yeah. Just hog in the rest of them. I just want to drive the train. Come on, man. Let's trade jobs. Oh.
I'm good. My hat saved me.
See if you can lay a propane tank outside. Or if that's like a horrible idea. I don't love it.
Well, forklifts, they say, have them mounted on their side.
Well, that's weird.
It's Bob's head time. We gotta make the access panel. We're putting the screws in and then we're gonna cut them down with a cutoff wheel or grind them down. That way the outside look looks the same, and then we're gonna countersink some magnets in there to make the hatch, and it should look pretty sweet. Brad nail and face glue this whole panel together, and that should be plenty sturdy. I'm also worried about the concrete. We'll deal with that in a little bit.
Cut off some screws.
Cool.
Where's the last one? Oh god, put it in reverse, Terry.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Oh, Lord.
Oh boy.
Oh, I didn't like that one.
When you put the clamp in the worst frickin' spot there, Spock.
We should be fine to take it out.
Oh, she looks good.
Yeah? Oh, it's freaking great. We stressed about this for nothing. We have no idea what we're doing. Probably never will. It feels smoother than it looks. Careful. This might work. Woohoo!
That's
Pretty freaking nice.
That is mint. Yeah, dude.
Infinitely better than I thought it was gonna be.
Ooh, we'll like skim coat this.
Yeah, we have that like feather bond stuff that we use like on
Should
the
we
wall.
spritz it with water in an hour?
Yeah, I think so. It'll help like harden it. While John has been busy at home working on his new skills as a father, we've also been busy here. During his time off, John's been encouraging us to work on some of those skills behind the scenes. So I'm super grateful for this week's sponsor, Skillshare. As you guys know, I spend a lot of the time behind the camera working on making these videos, and so it's a never-ending process of always learning more about videography specifically for YouTube. If you're not familiar, Skillshare is an amazing online learning platform with courses on tons of topics, everything from photo, video, business, graphic design, interior design, storytelling, you name it. The course that I'm currently loving is called YouTube Success by the legendary MKBHD or Marquez Brownlee. I really love when Skillshare gets some of my favorite creators involved and really gets into the weeds on some of these topics. We put a lot of time into the content we create here, and so I absolutely love getting courses like this and getting even better at what we do. If you want to get better, Skillshare has given us an awesome link for the first 1,000 people to click it down in the description. They will receive a free trial membership. After that trial, your membership's only about 10 bucks a month and you can continue learning super awesome skills. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Now click the link in the description. Learn something awesome, and let's get back to the build.
Watch your butt.
It's time for finish.
Well, you can spray this, but we don't have the stuff to spray it, so.
What is that?
I don't know.
What are you holding? You're not gonna spray?
I can't. We are using Lust Matte Finish Marine Varnish. You know it's good because the Marine's approved of it. Let us brush? I don't know.
Looks like you're kind of staying in Jordan's backside.
Whoa, whoa.
This thing is looking mint. We're gonna try putting some like low luster brick sealer just to seal it up, make it nice. We're gonna just roll some on here and see what happens. Ooh, doctor. I had fun once. Ooh, I hated it.
You think if I drink this would kill me?
Yes. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here.
Oh my god, I think I overhandled.
Here's the moment of truth. Did we buy the right one?
I see fire.
Forget the instructions. Let's just see if we're even close. How do we make the hole the exact size of the outside of it? Couldn't be more wrong. Ah, we even like brought it in.
Well, I guess we did bring it in just to that edge.
Apparently those measurements on the website were really wrong.
Well, we don't know how to read either. I honestly think it'll look better inset, and I think we could figure a way out.
We were supposed to go to John's tonight with this.
I have an idea to like drill Tapcons into this, and then I'll sit on those.
To make like a shelf.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like this is getting delivered today.
Honestly though, the inset looks better.
Does it though? Okay kids, so we finally got the fireplace thing. We're gonna fabric cobble it together. It has this giant bracket that's really ugly and we really only need this one part. So I'm gonna just cut it in half.
The worst that could happen.
I don't know. It'll be fine. Don't do this if you're not comfortable. I'm scared. All right, let's drill a hole in it.
It's not where I wanted the hole. That's so rude.
Science with Jordan.
Science rules.
Is the tank open?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Put a mark. No. This is literally like an 8.
Oh my god. Fireball!
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, we made a thing with no plan. We made a fire pit.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I thought that table was on fire for a second. I like that.
That looks really good.
That full hog.
What do you think, Dixie?
It looks like something you buy in a store. Nobody died. John unfortunately said he's busy, doesn't have time for us to sneak over to his house. Told him that we needed to come over for something. He said no.
I think we should just keep it.
There's like 2 or 3 little things that we're gonna touch up now since we have an extra couple of minutes. The little side hatch to get to the propane tank and underneath and all that stuff. We were gonna drill a hole in it, but since we have some time, I found this leather. We're gonna just make a little strap, something just a little more elegant. And then we'll surprise John with this thing. We're pulling up to John's house now. He has no idea we're coming. He has no idea what we've been up to all week. He probably thinks that we've just been drinking beers and hanging out. Only partially true. He doesn't know about this project. I think he's gonna like it. This should be a good surprise. He's texting me now, so I hope you're ready, John. Let's go see if he's home. Is John home? Where's he at?
What the hell are you doing here?
What are you doing? We haven't heard from you in like a week.
I'm busy. Hey, you see my squeaker?
Jordan and I took it upon ourselves. We built this awesome deck last year.
We did.
And I don't think a single one of us has drank a single beer on it.
Well, just that one.
So,
I drank a beer through it.
the sun's out.
Sure.
We're getting excited. We built you a surprise for the deck.
Oh, did you?
We did. Hope you like it.
Well, let's see it.
You stay in here, be dad.
Okay.
We'll get it set up, and then we'll call you out.
I'll grab some beers.
I smelled so much Hank hair when I came in and hugged them. It didn't crack on the way here, which I was really worried about.
All right, you got that in?
Yeah.
It is wide enough. We might be able to go sideways. Nope. Nope.
You got it? You're gonna get most of the weight.
Yeah.
My legs don't go that fast.
I'm gonna shit myself.
Give me a second.
Can of corn. Can a can of corn. I'll be fine.
Any day there, Dixie.
So what do you think it is, John?
I know that the only materials I had available, unless they went and spent money, which I doubt, was this reclaimed mahogany that came off of the deck. So based on their skill sets, I'm guessing it's probably chairs. That would be my guess. And
Lighter.
What do you need a lighter for?
Are you ready?
Oh, damn! That thing's fancy!
You like that?
Who'd you steal that from? You guys actually built this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That actually looks not. Jordan didn't build it, did he? You had something to do with this?
A lot of the design choices were him.
Wow, Jordan, this is like, it's like the nicest thing you've ever made.
Jordan almost blew up in the shop.
How much of my money did you spend on it is the question.
I think we're less than $200 into it.
Wow,
But that's excluding the fact that we had that mahogany.
my own gift for me with
Yeah.
my money. Well, thank you guys. That's awesome. All right, so how's it work? Show me how it works.
Like you put the key in over there for the
So
gas.
this is like the on-off valve. And then on the end here,
What's that noise?
I think that's just the degassing. It's just in the line. And then here's the access panel over
made
here.
it so the whole side comes off to get to.
It's a.
It was all we had. We can get you a
We-
smaller
we can-
one.
This is a whole metal box, so
So-
it won't reflect down and burn my deck. I like everything but the blue rock.
Well, you hate red, so there wasn't a lot of options.
What colors do you want?
It does look nice. Let me grab Sarah. Well, I didn't do anything on this one, so I'm gonna let Sam take it from here.
Oh, I get the outro. That's it for this one. If you guys want to make something like this, we don't have a plan for it, but we'll link to Sam's video from DIY Hunters. That's where we got all the plans for this. If you want some of this sweet merch, make sure you're in the store picking up some awesome t-shirts. If you want to see more outdoor squirreliness, click on Jordan's face.
Also, this is yours.
Thank you.